Hello everyone, I'm Tom Leung with Stock Navigator. I'm excited to share some incredible news with you today. Recently, I achieved an amazing 577% return on Tesla trade, which amounted to a remarkable $19,493 net profit in just a few weeks. What's even more fascinating is that I accomplished it without requiring a significant investment of tens of thousands of dollars. Yes, you heard that's right. People ask me, I don't have money to buy 500 shares of Tesla, which is cost about $82,000 months ago. How can I double, triple, quadruple, or even more money if you know how to scale it up? Now you probably wonder how I did it. Well, here's the secret. I didn't actually buy stock, I buy options. And I utilize a unit strategy that I teach my students. I would love to review it to you. But first, I kindly request that you watch this video until the end. By doing so, you will gain a valuable insight into my trading journey. If you find the information helpful, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us as we strive to assist beginner traders like yourself. If you are interested in learning the comprehensive strategy that thousands of my students utilize daily, click the link provided in this video description. This link will guide you to further information. Now let's dive into the detail of my successful trade. The chart right in front of you is a Tesla chart. The ticker symbol is TSLA. That's the biggest manufacturer on an electric vehicle. As you can see that this stock has been going down in 2021. Finally, they were able to find a support at the beginning of 2023. The stock, they have a first run up, and after that they do ABC pattern correction, and then they continue to move higher. So the key thing here is you know where you're supposed to buy so that you can make money. When the market is choppy sideways, you have to be careful because sometimes the stock going up and you don't know you jump in, the market will put right back down and you're losing money right away. So the key thing here is you have to understand the market pattern, how they lay out, and you'll be able to execute a trade. So in order to structure this trade, you have to understand three components here: the price, the momentum, and the volume. So look at the price chart here. It's a proprietary chart that we create for our member at Stock Navigator. So this chart here, as you can see it, the red candle below the red line here, we call a bear line. So when the red candle below the bear line, it means that the trend is downtrend. When it's above the green line here, which is a bull line. So when the price is color green, stay above the bull line, it means that the trend is up. And then pull back down, pull back up, pull back down. So we teach you how to understand where is the market going to stop and revert by using a buy zone and a profit zone. So when I get pulled back down right to the buy zone and the price be able to get back up, and then we will stay with the trend to the upside, to next to the profit zone. And the other thing that we look at is because the trend is not strong, if we don't have a support from a momentum and a volume. So when you see that when the red volume, it means that the trend is downtrend, and the loss a strong trend because it stay about the line control. So the bear is very strong until beginning of 2023, and the bull start put back in more volume in the bull side, and then with a strong momentum they stay above the line control. So that's why market put back up, and after that they do correction. So they try to put it back up, but you see the momentum it continue to go below line control. So the stock is very weak. That's why they cannot go higher. They have to pull back down one more time before they be able to turn around and more bull volume coming in. So that's why we structure the trade right here. So we enter the trade at beginning of May, and then we hold the trade until it hits to the profit zone. So if you apply this simple method, and then you can get in the trade, put the stop loss here, and the trade run up to the profit zone and take the profit. So in terms of buy 500 shares of the Tesla, it will cost you about $82,000 a month ago. But if you want to make money, you don't have to have a $82,000. You can buy 5 contract options for Tesla, only cost you $3,378. And then you own the equivalent of 500 shares of Tesla for only over $3,000. And then a month later, you sold it for $22,871.50. So the net profit is $19,493, which is 577% gain within a month. May 2nd, I buy 5 contracts. of the Tesla for the option $175 call expire in July 16, 2023. So I buy 5 contract equivalent to 500 shares, and it cost me $6.75. I sold it for June 5th for $45.75. Sell at $22,871.50. So you can see that by apply a simple method, and you can see that you can structure the option and you can make money very quickly. So this method is working for everything. It's working for stock, for crypto, for currency pair, for the ETF, or commodity. Let me show you a couple of stocks. For example, like Apple. The Apple, after they stabilize, put it back up, ABC, and then they put it back right to the upside. It's a lot of bull volume and push it up to the upside right there. Look at the Amazon, for example. Amazon, after they pull up, ABC, pull back right to the upside. Strong momentum, strong bull volume. Look at the Microsoft. Microsoft, same thing. After run up, ABC, they put it back right to the sell zone, go back, ABC, they put back another leg up, ABC, continue to put it to the upside. And look at the AI, for example. Same thing. After they run up, they pull back ABC, and then they run up to the upside. If you're able to capture, by looking at the chart, it's very easy for you to tell the trend is up. Everything is in sync together, so you can make money. And if you trade crypto, for example, like Bitcoin, also work very well too. After run up, ABC, right into the top before they can start correcting again. Look at the Ethereum. Same thing, run up, ABC, put it right back up. And let's say if you trade the currency pair, for example, like the Euro, US dollar, right? They work on any currency pair. You can see it run up, ABC, put right back up to the upside. And if you like to trade the ETF, let's say QQQ, right? Nasdaq, you can see that after run up, ABC, shoot it right to the upside again. Let's say you trade Spider, SBY, same thing, they run up, ABC, pull back right to the upside. And even commodity, let's say crude oil, they're working for uptrend, working for downtrend also. Crude oil have been correct heavily since last year until now. So after they run down, they put back ABC and continue to go lower. Let's look at the natural gas, also in the downtrend. You can see that after run down, ABC, boom. Okay, the trend is still down, the bear volume is in control, the stock is still in the downtrend. So you can see that by using a simple method that you can trade very effectively, and you can double, triple, quadruple, okay, if you be able to find a pattern in many stocks out there. This is one of the methods that we are teaching at Stock Navigator. So if you are interested to learn more, please check the link below, and I hope that to see you in our community very soon. And don't forget to give me a thumb up, and thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.